Hello everybody, this is Janitra. Today we deal with the Banknote Press Recruitment 2018 exam, and this is for BTech Diploma and Graduation, and there was total 86 vacancies, and in this exam no interview, no negative marking, and one more thing, exam is in bilingual, means Hindi and English both. So let's start our discussion. So first we discuss regarding the important dates of the exam, that is opening of online application and payment for the date is 13 October 2018 to 9 November 2018, and this is the same date for the payment and for the online application, and there was for typing test and online exam and selected center only. I think there was a typing test in 5 cities in the MP, Jabalpur, Bhopal, and something. You go through with the detailed notification for the typing test centers and for the online exam center. And up to till now, there was a tentative date for typing test and online exam in November or December. And typing test for only selected post. I think there is one or two posts in which typing test is conducted. And so you just go through the detailed notification. I just here discuss regarding to the number of posts and what is the selection procedure for this exam, and the application fee is 400 rupees for this recruitment. So now we discuss with the number of posts. There was a total in different 11 categories in which different posts number of posts are given, and what is the age criteria, and here is a complete categorize post. So you just go through with this image, and is safety officer, welfare officer, supervisor, electrical supervisor, IT supervisor, CA supervisor, civil supervisor, factory, junior officer assistant, junior technician, printing and plate making. So this is different post. You just go through the, and one more thing, you just carefully see the about the age limit, because some 1 to 8 posts have 30 years age limit, and after that 28 years, and after that 25 years. So you just go through this slide, and for the particular post you just go through the detailed notification which I will given in the description. So you check your for particular post what is the educational qualification required. And then now I discuss regarding the selection procedure. For post number 1 to 8, there was a total 2-hour exam in which 200 questions from different 5 categories, that is professional knowledge, general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitudes. And the total marks for this is 240 and question is 200 and time is 2 hours. Okay, this is for just for post number 1 to 8. And for post number 9, there was a typing test. By typing test shortlist, then you can eligible for the online exam. So just for 9th number post, you give the typing test also. And for the post 9 to 11, there was only 1 hour exam, that is 60 minutes, and total number of question is 160 from 4 different categories, that is general awareness, English language, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitudes, and total marks is 160. So this is for the post number 9 to 11. And for the particular post you have different educational qualification requirement. So you just go through the detailed notification in which each and every one post descriptively given about the educational qualification criteria. So you check easily over there, and these are the some important links which for official notification and apply online, and this is for official website. So if you have any queries regarding to this recruitment, please message me, and thank you for watching, guys. Thank you.